Find x if 4 raised to x plus 6 raised to x equal to 9 raised to x. Consider the given equation. First step, divide both sides of this equation by 4 raised to x. So LHS becomes 4 raised to x plus 6 raised to x by 4 raised to x equal to RHS 9 raised to x by 4 raised to x. Split LHS. 4 raised to x by 4 raised to x plus 6 raised to x by 4 raised to x equal to 9 raised to x by 4 raised to x. We know that a raised to n by b raised to n is equal to exponent same, a by b whole raised to n. Apply this. 4 raised to x by 4 raised to x is 1. So 1 plus 6 raised to x by 4 raised to x, you can write it as 6 by 4 whole raised to x equal to 9 by 4 whole raised to x. In 6 and 4, 2 is common. So cancel the common factor. Remaining 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 whole raised to x equal to 9 by 4 whole raised to x. 9 is 3 square by 4 is 2 square whole raised to x equal to exponent 2. Exponent same. So this one you can write it as 3 by 2 whole raised to 2 whole raised to x. This is same as 3 by 2 x whole raised to 2. Since a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n equal to a raised to, since multiplication is commutative, m into n you can write it as n into m, same as a raised to n whole raised to m. That is a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to n whole raised to m. Similarly, 3 by 2 whole raised to 2 whole raised to x, you can write it as whole raised to x whole raised to 2. Next, substitute some variable for this 3 by 2 whole raised to x to make our calculation simpler. So let any variable 3 by 2 whole raised to x equal to y, okay, and mark it as equation number 1. Okay. So our equation becomes 1 plus 3 by 2 whole raised to x is y equal to 3 by 2 whole raised to x is y square. Now take 1 plus y to RHS. So LHS becomes 0 equal to y square plus 1 becomes minus 1 plus y becomes minus y. This is same as y square minus 1 minus y equal to 0. Rearrange this. First square term y square, next 1 degree, minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 degree equation, quadratic equation. So by solving this quadratic equation, we can find out the values of y and substitute in equation 1 to find the value of x. First compare this with general equation and find the value of a, b and c. A equal to coefficient of y square 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to constant minus 1. b square minus 4ac equal to b minus 1. So b square minus 1 square minus 4 into a into c, 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square is 1, minus into minus plus 4 into 1 4 into 1 4 equal to 5. So root of b square minus 4ac equal to root 5. So by using quadratic equation, that is y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equal to minus b. b is minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac root 5 by 2a, 2 into 1, 2 equal to minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So here we got two values for y, that is y is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2 or y is equal to 1 minus root 5 by 2. 1 minus root 5 by 2 is negative. So you can neglect this. Because we know that root 4 is 2, right? So root 5 will be a value greater than this 2. So 1 minus 2 point something will be always negative value. And what is y? Y is 3 by 2 whole raised to x. It cannot be a negative value. So you can neglect this. Now solve this for finding the value of x. Y is equal to 3 by 2 whole raised to x. So this implies 3 by 2 whole raised to x equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. And this 1 plus root 5 by 2 is called golden ratio. Taking natural log on both sides, log 3 by 2 whole raised to x equal to log 1 plus root 5 by 2. Natural log of golden ratio is 0.481. Now solve this LHS. LHS log 3 by 2 whole raised to x. By applying power rule, here power is x. X into log 3 by 2 equal to, next apply quotient rule, x into log 3 minus log 2 equal to x into log 3 is 1.099 minus log 2 0.693 equal to x into 0.406. That is log 3 by 2 whole raised to x is x into 0.406. That is 0.406x equal to RHS 0.481. X equal to 0.481 by 0.406 equal to 1.1847 value of x.